Hi, I am Lorraine from Devoted to Bakes, and I am so proud to introduce you to my new online baking platform. I love every stage of bread making, from the feel and texture of the dough to the magic of seeing it rise and that gorgeous smell that you get from the oven. I have loved baking since I was a kid. I learned from my own mum and from two old ladies in the local community centre. It was the movement of their hands and the way the ingredients changed before my eyes that really captured me. When I think about it now, they weren't just baking, they were taking the opportunity to have some time to themselves. After spending years teaching myself how to bake, I took the time and opportunity to qualify as an artisan baker. But like you, I know what it's like to learn through recipe books and YouTube videos. And yes, while it can help, it can also leave you feeling confused about why am I using certain ingredients or different techniques. So in these courses, I will share with you my knowledge and skills that I have learned to help you understand the science and craft of baking. I love artisan techniques, how really simple ingredients can be transformed into healthy, nutritious bakes. But between work and family life, it can be a challenge to find the time. I will share with you some practical tips so that you can take the time out to bake. Whether you bake every week or a couple of times a month, there's such a buzz when your friends or family come around and they're waiting to taste something nutritious and delicious that you have created. And maybe, like those two old ladies who inspired me, you could pass on your love of baking to somebody else. So I really hope you enjoy these courses and that baking gives you as much pleasure as it has given me.